What is a for loop? Let's find out. For loop for Iron Range. I hope you guys are taking notes. Pros for for loops. Makes things faster. Makes things easier. Saves time. Very simple. Many more. First example. We're technically telling the computer to make a square. In math class, you should have learned how a square has 4 sides and has a 90-degree angle. And if we press run, it does it 4 times. And that saves us time. And if we were to have this, right, and, if we wanted to have this, the for loop, we would have to write this 4 times. And no one wants to do that. So for loops saves us time. Okay, let's get on to the second example. Action. Okay, here's the first example. So we're telling the computer to print subscribe 13 times. And that's pretty simple. So if we press run, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13 times. And if we didn't have this for loop, we would put print subscribe 13 times. And if let's say we had a coding job and our boss told us to print advertising 100 times, we would have to be like print 100 times, print subscribe 100 times. But since we got for loop, all we gotta do is this, right? And then boom. Now, let's get on to the third example. Okay. Now, this gets a little bit better. So, for I range 2 to 71. A range from 2 to 71. And what the computer is going to do is print the number from 2 to 71. Let's check it out. Nice. Woo. Okay. It did it. Now, here's the thing. If this didn't exist, right? And in our boss, let's say we had a coding job, and our boss said, print the number from 2 to 71. What we would have to do is write this. 71 times. Can you believe that? But since we have for loops, of course, it does all the work for us. And we don't gotta do nada. Nothing. So, thank the person who created for loops. Okay, that's the end of the third example. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell, so to never miss any of my videos. See you next time.